Australia Day gives you a choice. You can spend it busy or you can spend it together. There was a time phones weren't in your hand and knocking on the door didn't need an invite. People were present, conversations lasted, time felt slower. The barbecue was always the centre of that. Not because of the cooking, but because it brought people together. With the Grillorb rolling basket, grilling takes less attention. Everything cooks evenly without constant checking, so you can step back and enjoy the day. Australia Day is about being around the people that matter. If that's how you want to spend it, tap to see the Grillorb rolling basket in action.